Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to reduce a video's file size in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've added some 1080p footage to my timeline, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to export it with the reduced file size. To begin, go up to File, Export, then click on Media. You can also jump to this window by pressing Ctrl-M on Windows or Command-M on Mac. At the bottom of the window, you'll notice Premiere shows an estimated file size for the video you're about to export. To reduce this file size, the simplest method without reducing resolution or frame rate is lowering the bitrate. The quickest way to do this is by changing our preset. My preset is set to Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. This is going to give me the best possible quality with a moderate file size. However, if you need to get it smaller, I recommend using Match Source High Bitrate versus adaptive ones. As you can see, the estimated file size is now dropped. If you still need to shave off some more fat, go to the Video tab and scroll down to the bitrate settings. Playing around with the target and maximum bitrate values can save you significant amounts in file size. However, there are more important things to consider. The lower the bitrate, the more pixel anomalies you will see appear in your footage. The faster and more action-packed the footage is, the worse it would look at low bit rates. If you have 60 frames per second footage, I wouldn't recommend going any lower than a target bitrate of 10. If you have 30 frames per second footage, you should be safe to reduce your target and maximum bitrate to 5 or 6 without making a noticeable difference in quality. As you can see, adjusting the bitrate manually has shaved a little bit more off the estimated file size. That's great. If you're working with 4K or high resolution footage, I would suggest starting with the adaptive medium preset and experiment on from there. Once you're satisfied with your file size, just hit export to finish the process. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.